I'm Lindsay. Today we're going to get started in a child's pose. So bring your big toes to touch, let your knees come wide on your mat, and start to walk your hands forward, bringing your forehead down to your mat. Walk your fingertips forward, bringing your forearms off the ground. Deep inhale here. As you exhale, let your hands and forearms soften down as you give yourself 5 rounds of breath. Let your hips sink down towards your heels. As your forehead grounds into the mat. And your lower back begins to expand with your breath. On your next inhale, begin to bring some weight into your hands as you take yourself up into a tabletop. So your shoulders are over your wrists, your hips are over your knees, your fingers are spread wide. And we're going to begin to roll through some cat-cows as you inhale, let your belly drop, your collarbones widen, your sits bones move in opposite directions as your gaze lifts. As you exhale, your spine rounds, gaze drops, cat pose. Inhale, belly drops, collarbones widen, gaze lifts, cow pose. Exhale, spine rounds, cat pose. Take a few more rounds of breath here, moving with your own cycle. And as you do, you might find some other shapes your body wants to take, rolling through your hips, flipping the orientation of your wrists. Anything that feels good as you continue to wake up and tune into your body. And then coming back through that neutral tabletop, pressing into that L shape of your index finger and thumb, begin to tuck through your toes, send your hips up and back, downward facing dog. And as you start here, just begin to pedal push through your feet, bending one knee and then the other, waking up your calves and your hamstrings. And then coming into stillness in that down dog, give a little bend in your knees, and as you inhale, roll forward into your high plank, shoulders over wrists. As you exhale, send it up and back, downward facing dog. Inhale, roll forward, high plank. Exhale, send it back. 3 more here, following your breath. Inhale. And exhale. 2 more. One more round. And then from your down dog, begin to take a walk, coming to the top of your mat into a forward fold, giving a generous bend in your knees, letting your head and neck be heavy. Give a little shake, yes and no, of your head, sway of your torso. You might grab your opposite elbows or interlace your fingers at the nape of your neck. And then letting go of any bind that you have. On an inhale, begin to roll up, stacking your spine. Taking as much time as you need to arrive. You might sway side to side. As you arrive, reaching your shoulders up towards your ears, softening them down your back. Inhale, roll your shoulders up towards your ears and soften them down. One more time. Inhale. And exhale. And then finding that strong Tadasana or mountain pose. Feet about hip width apart. Shoulder blades melt down your back, palms shine forward, crown of the head reaches high. As you inhale, reach your hands up and out, overhead high prayer. Exhale, take it down, forward fold. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, plant your hands, step back, right foot, then left foot, high plank, shoulders over wrists. Think about pressing the ground away from you. Tone through your belly, long line of energy, soles of your feet through the crown of your head. Inhale here. As you exhale, knees come down, hinge at the elbows, send them back, chest comes down. Tops of your feet press into the mat. As you inhale, cobra pose. Heart shines forward, widen your collarbones, stay long through the back of your neck. Exhale, heart releases down, hips press back, child's pose. Give yourself a full cycle of breath. As you inhale, weight comes into your hands, tuck your toes, downward facing dog. And begin to take that walk once more to the top of your mat, forward fold. Inhale, halfway lift this time, hands come to your shins, press into your shins, ironing out your spine, back of your neck is long. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, hands reach up and out, overhead, take your high prayer, take up space. Exhale, send it down, forward fold. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, plant left foot, then right foot this time, back at that high plank. Option to take it knees, chest, chin, or lower, one long line of energy. Elbows hinge back, whole body touches down at the same moment. Tops of the feet press down. Inhale, peel your chest, cobra pose. Exhale, heart releases down. Option to take it back through that child's pose, or maybe you tuck through your toes, tone through your belly, and press back up through that high plank, and downward facing dog. Full cycle of breath. Option to take that hop this time to the top of your mat. If you're taking that, send a bend into your knees, get your heels off the mat, gaze between your thumbs, and take it forward. Inhale, halfway. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, hands reach up and out, overhead, high prayer. This time as you exhale, sink it back, chair pose. Weight is in your heels. Toes soften off the mat, lower back lengthens. Inhale. Exhale, take it down, forward fold. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, plant. Option to step back, or maybe you hop. If you're hopping with those bent elbows, coming through your chaturanga, pressing through into your up dog, up and back, downward facing dog, full breath. Your inhale, step, jump, walk, top of your mat, forward fold. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, fold. Inhale, hands reach up and out, overhead, high prayer. Exhale, sink it back, chair pose. Find that spot you left off. Settle in and sink just a little bit deeper. We're taking it into our revolved chair to the right. Inhale to prepare. Exhale, hands through heart center. Take that twist, left elbow outside of right knee. Palm presses into palm. Roll that left hip back. And rotate your rib cage, gaze lifts. Inhale and exhale. Inhale brings you center through that chair. Exhale, take it down, forward fold. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, plant your hands, step or jump. Take it through whatever flow serves you. Meet in that down dog. Full cycle of breath. Your inhale, step, jump, walk, top of your mat. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, fold. Inhale, hands reach up and out overhead. Exhale, sink it back, chair pose one more time. Taking that revolved chair to the left. Inhale to prepare. Exhale, hands through center line, and take that twist, hooking right elbow outside of left knee, rolling that right hip back, palm presses into palm, heart rotates. As you find that next inhale, hands come through center. Exhale, take it down, forward fold. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, plant, step or jump. Vinyasa your way. Move it through your down dog or your child's pose. And give yourself 3 rounds of breath. If you're in that down dog, go ahead and take it into your child's pose. Big toes touch, forehead comes down. And let your forearms soften to the mat. Taking 3 more rounds. As you find that next inhale, slowly begin to make your way back up, finding a comfortable seat, just allowing your hands to rest on your lap, letting your hips sink down, collarbones widen, shoulder blades soften. Following your breath for 5 rounds. As you find that next inhale, bringing your hands to heart center, bowing your head towards your heart. Namaste. Thank you all for joining me. I hope you have a wonderful day.